just having a bunch of commercial today and yesterday. Got one of the commercial guys on vacation, so guess who gets to take it? I do. If I can get up the ladder here. Well, it's just out here. We just installed a new AC on the other side. And now this one don't work. And it's weird because I don't hear a compressor. And I just replaced the capacitor on this last year. No AC. My compressor's running. Huh. Let me go get some gauges. Maybe I should have checked the filter first. Got any light in here? That would be no. But I got a safety switch on the pump. It's running. Terrible. Could use a new one. Interesting. Get him a new filter. Well, this thing's running. Let's see how many filters are on. That one's used. Well, let me get a new filter. Let this thing run. Alright, so customer said it was blowing warm this morning. Not making any sense to me. It's running right now. Filter wasn't that dirty. Another camera, so I gotta see if you're on. It's on, I guess. This was installed in 2014. requires 17 degrees of subcooling. I just put my probes on though. Subcooling is at 22. Superheat at 20. She ain't short. But I just put my probes on, so let's give it a second. The pressures look good. 12.6 on the subcooling, 18, it's charged right on the dot. You know, plus or minus 3 degrees on that subcooling. Huh. Let me get the panel open. Got the panel open here. Now just put this capacitor in, I think last year or the year before. Let's see. Yeah, for the capacitor, I mean the contactor's holding in. Should be at, but it's at 45.75. And I got a bee and a wasp nest in the disconnect, which kind of sucks. Nope, capacitor's good. Contactor's pulled in. Breaker was good downstairs. Everything I see up here is good. Interesting. Interesting. Or maybe they just don't know how to use their stuff, but I doubt that because they've been here a while and it's old T87. So I'm pretty sure that's pretty self-explanatory. I gotta go put the damn disconnect in with the Wasp in there. I don't have any spray. Damn it, I can see him. As soon as I go to throw that in there, it'll be all over me. Bummer. If I run, you know why. Let's see how this is gonna go. Probably not good. Party time. God damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, man. Huh. I don't have any wasp spray. Bummer. I think he stung me. Oh, I hear a phone ringing. Is that my phone? Not my phone. Oh. Oh, they're bastards. We're gonna go all in. We're gonna go all in. Got the glove. That's it. They're done. Just got one left. I'm going for it. Oh, and the bastard don't want to go back in there. I think the little bastard stung me on the finger. I think he got me right by my cut. But gloves are good for something. Alright, let me go downstairs and see what's going on. Well, I don't know if it was user error on this one. I have no idea because everything looks fine. Not really sure. I talked to the owner. He said that came in this morning, wasn't running. Get you on a different camera. Wasn't running. And then he turned it on, and then it was blowing warm air. That's what he said. But he had it off when I showed up. Turn it on, check pressures, check capacitor. Everything's working. So I just basically told him, I'm not in the middle of, I'm not going to start changing parts out on your system if you don't need it. So we'll just kind of play it by ear. I told him to watch it, see what it does, see if he can give me any other information on when it does it. I mean, it's got a T87 thermostat on it. And, I don't know, maybe the stat's bad, not sure. But like I said, I'm not going to go changing parts when I don't even know what's broken. You know, I could say, hey, the condensate pump's broken. It's got the safety switch tied in. That was working. Thermostat was working. Everything was working. I can't just go and start changing parts. You know, I mean. And he agreed with me. He's like, I don't want to pay for that. I go, yeah, you'd have to pay for it, but you don't want to pay for it, so I'm not going to do it. So he's going to keep an eye on it, and maybe we'll get a follow-up video. Not sure. So you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.